Bob Bolt HVAC is a trusted team of HVAC contractors providing top quality heating and cooling services. Whether you need AC repair, furnace installation, or routine maintenance, our experienced technicians ensure your home or business stays comfortable year-round. We specialize in energy-efficient solutions, expert diagnostics, and fast, reliable service. With a commitment to customer satisfaction and high-quality workmanship, Bob Bolt HVAC is your go-to provider for all HVAC needs. From new system installations to emergency repairs, we handle it all with professionalism and care. Contact us today, Bob Bolt HVAC, for expert HVAC services that keep your indoor environment perfect in every season. Are you looking for HVAC contractors near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Bolt HVAC. What services do HVAC contractors like Bob Bolt HVAC offer? Bob Bolt HVAC provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, including installation, repair, maintenance, and system replacements. How do I choose the best HVAC contractor? Look for licensed, insured, and experienced contractors with positive customer reviews and transparent pricing, like Bob Bolt HVAC. What is your HVAC contractor's office in Eagan, Minnesota? Our local HVAC contractor's office have served the areas of Eagan, Apple Valley, Burnsville, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prior Lake, Rosemeath, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Bolt HVAC office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, http://www.bobvic.com/.